Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to buy cryptos on Trust Wallet, guys. So it's extremely easy to actually go ahead and do, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. So pretty much you're going to want to be on Trust Wallet and you're going to want to go ahead and click the buy button right here where it shows our balance. Go ahead and click buy. Now, basically it's going to come up with all these cryptos you can choose from. Just go ahead and choose the crypto you want to buy. Now, I'm more of an XRP person, so we're going to go ahead and click XRP and we are going to go ahead and do the minimum purchase. Now, the minimum purchase is about $50. So basically we get 129 XRP for that price, and what we're going to go ahead and do is look for the best rate here. Now, as it seems, Binance Connect seems to be the best rate. So from here you would go next, and then it would send you to the exchange where it would pretty much tell you to pay with the debit card and stuff. And once you actually buy the crypto on here, it's just gonna do the transaction, and once the transaction has actually gone through, you would go ahead and get your balance distributed to your Trust Wallet. So it's pretty simple, guys. I really like this, and you get to keep the crypto for yourself, so it is your crypto. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Make sure you guys leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.